In cleaning the kitchen with Norwex products, you'll find that it definitely saves you time, money, and it's just great. I put some butter on my finger, which is a greasy fat, and I just wipe some on the fridge to show you how easy the EnviroCloth picks up oil, grease, and so forth. I love cleaning my stove top off after I've cooked some bacon or just anything. It's just water, guys. It's just water, rinse, repeat. So I'm gonna just go ahead and wipe this butter off on this rag, and y'all know how butter usually leaves a feel on your fingers, but my fingers feel very clean right now. And I'll just take a clean section of it. And I never use Pledge or any stainless steel products on any of my stainless steel. My stainless steel always looks amazing because it doesn't have a buildup of anything on it. I clean it on the regular with a wet EnviroCloth and dry it with a polishing cloth. That's it. You can do this on mirrors, glass, stainless steel, stovetops, just anything. I do my vent hood with it. So anyway, there's that. I'm just going to show you a couple of passes here. Trying to hold the camera away. All right, and now I'm just going to grab the polishing rag. And guys, that's it. Just some water. Looks like the rest of it. It's that easy. All right, thanks for watching.